What's the best TRT weekly dosage for subcutaneous injections? I use 25 milligrams every other day.
All right, so that's just under 100 a week. Well, this is a very loaded question, right? I think it's best broken down. What's the best TRT weekly dosage is whatever dose gets you to the optimal level for you. I think when looking at TRT dosages and optimizing as a concept, the part that's going to determine what the best weekly dosage is going to be a combination of how you feel and then objective improvements in your overall metabolic panel. So the fact that you feel better, but then that you are objectively overall in a better state of health. So, lipids improving, liver markers improving, inflammatory markers improving, insulin sensitivity improving, all of these things. So if you can get the combo of those two things, it's the dose that achieves that. Most people need more than that per week, but that's sufficient for some people. I don't think subcutaneous is the best for people to try because I think a lot of people, I would argue most people don't react as well to it with injectable. But if subcutaneous is already working for someone, there's no reason to not do it. I just think that you're better off optimizing with something that the route of administration is going to work 100% of the time, which is intramuscular, and then mess around if you want to with subcutaneous after that. But I also know that some doctors are working with pharmacies where they're compounding products that consistently work subcutaneously. So if you've got a doctor who's recommending subcutaneous injections and he's got a compounding pharmacy that makes a product where subcutaneous works consistently for all of his patients, then that's awesome because then you don't have to stab yourself in the muscle. But for most people using commercial preparations or just general people just across the board, subQ is likely going to cause you a problem. But if it works for you, I think it's great. But usually, yeah, it's a bit more than that per week for most people.